Irony, huh? It's confusing. Take money for example. We are happy with a nice little bundle of cash warming up our pockets, while shopping with a sweet swipe of a card. CashbackJazz has replaced irony with money. So shop all you like and still have some heat in your pocket. With Domino's, Swiggy, Reebok, Nike, and so much more on a single click. How, you may ask? Do exactly what you generally do while shopping online. Get yourself online, search for CashbackJazz.com and go ahead and click on it. Get yourself signed up, click the options on the right side of the page, give your credentials to the cute little puppy popping out on your screen, and voila, you are a free member. And you'll see your personal dashboard. We'll get to this later. First, let's go shopping. On the left side, click on Go to the website and you are good to go. Select your choice of store while scrolling through hundreds of them, or browse by the hot deals featured on the Deals section. Select the deal you like and click on Go to Store on left side. Now shop as you normally do, and once the order is placed, get back on CashbackJazz and click on your name and go to Dashboard. Your cashback status would be automatically reflected there on Pending Cashback. Once the cashback is confirmed, click on your profile on the left-hand side of the dashboard and add your bank details. From here on, you are ready to redeem the confirmed amount back into your account and spend it however you may like. Enjoy this unique shopping experience only with CashbackJazz.